Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick step-by-step guide on how to cancel Moonpay transaction. So here's an easy workaround on a simple step-by-step guide on how you can easily cancel Moonpay transaction. So for you to be able to cancel, you have to open your Moonpay app or log in into your Moonpay website. So from there, go to your transaction history, find the transaction you want to cancel. Then if the status show pending, tap on it, then select cancel transaction, only visible while it's still pending. So if it is not pending, then the option will not be visible. Then confirm the cancellation request. Then you will see a confirmation email that this transaction has been cancelled. So if the transaction is already processed or completed, it cannot be cancelled. In that case, you would need to contact the Moonpay support for assistance. And here's a quick tip: always double check your amount, the wallet address, and the payment method before confirming a Moonpay transaction to avoid any mistake. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.